You should be especially careful when associating with one of your former friends or acquaintances not to sink to their level. Otherwise, you will lose yourself. If you are troubled by the idea that he'll think you're boring and won't treat you the way he used to, remember that everything comes at a price. It isn't possible to change your behavior and still be the same person you were before. So choose. Either regain the love of your old friends by reverting to your former self, or remain better than you once were and forfeit their affection. And if you choose the latter, stick to it from here on out. Don't give in to second thoughts, because no one who wavers will make progress. And if you are committed to making progress and ready to devote yourself to the effort, then give up everything else. Otherwise, your ambivalence will only ensure that you don't make progress, and you won't even get to revisit the pleasures of the past. Formerly, when you were devoted to worthless pursuits, your friends found you congenial company. But you can't be a hit in both roles. To the extent that you cultivate the one, you will fall short in the other. You can't seem as affable to your old cronies if you don't go out drinking with them as of old. So choose whether you want to be a charming drunk in their company, or dull and sober on your own. You cannot expect the same reception from the group that you used to associate with if you don't go carousing with them regularly anymore.